So friends, welcome everyone to today's trade. Today is April 20th and I should say you, whoever has traded Bank Nifty and have ended in profits today are very lucky. Reason because the premiums are very low and it was just moving up and down, although it was moving within the range which I had marked, but the premiums were too low and then continuous stop losses were being hit. And then I should say it was really very difficult, especially during this period. After 12 o'clock it started making big swings. You can see the big swings here. It was going up, again coming down, again going up. So it was really a very tough day, but I just stick on to my rules. I made sure that I lose just small capital, just lost 1 lakh only. It's nothing but 1% of my capital. So being a Thursday tomorrow, I expect to recover the loss whichever I have made today. So let me just quickly run through the video and I'll just show you how I took my trades. Okay, so looking into the open interest, okay, so we can see that, let me just show you once again. So you can see there was slightly gap up opening only and nothing much. Okay, so let us look into the open interest Bank Nifty weekly option, and then I can see that there is a good amount of resistance at 36,500. We can see a very good tower at that level. This is at 36,500 tower which is there. So we can expect good resistance at this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark a line at 36,500. And when coming to the bottom part, its major strikes are at 36,400 and 300. So what we can do is we can keep it at the present low. I mean whatever the low for the day is there, we can mark that low. Or best is we also have a super trend as well over there. So this is ideal. So you can see there is rejection at this particular point as well as there is even super trend as well at this particular point. Yeah, talking about this and this. So this is a very good area for support. So accordingly my trade was placed accordingly and the range was perfect for today. I found out the correct range. Only thing was it was moving very wild within this range. That was the only difficulty which I had for today. Okay, let me clear other lines so that it is easy for you to understand. Okay, so this was my positions initially when I took the trade. Bank Nifty initially it was coming down, as you can see. I'll just show you the chart. Bank Nifty, the first candle itself was coming down, so that is why I had to I'm talking about this first candle. So first candle itself it came down, so then I tried to immediately do adjustment because it's a big candle. Again there was a pullback and again it started coming down. So that is why initially I did just small adjustments, but it went badly. So today entire day the adjustments went wrong, and we should expect. I mean, it's common. We can't do anything. It's some days will be like that. We can't help it. Okay. So it's time for me to add positions. As of now, you can see Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. So I have added my remaining quantities as well, remaining positions as well. So presently this is how I am, but there is no mercy for non-traditional traders. The VIX is continuously increasing as well. IV is increasing, sorry, and then we were making continuous. It kept on going into loss only from here. There was nothing else. Yeah. So yeah, so then by doing the adjustments, my capital loss reached close to 1 lakh. So I had to close the positions. I did not go to do much of firefighting, and also today was not a day for doing firefighting. The premiums were very low. So then I thought, okay, I'll stop with this, and I closed my positions at 1 lakh loss. And this is how the trade went on for today. So let us eagerly wait and try to recover the loss which we made today in tomorrow's expiry trade. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.